When you need a dependable USB 2.0 cable that fits where others won't, the C2G USB 2.0 cable with molded angled connectors is worth a look. It's designed specifically to connect your PC or Mac to printers, keyboards, mice, and other USB-B compatible devices with ease and precision. What sets this cable apart is its molded angled connectors. These aren't just for show. They let you plug in devices even in tight, hard-to-reach spaces without bending or damaging the cable. The sturdy molding offers excellent strain relief, protecting the internal wires from wear and tear over time. You'll also appreciate the double shielding wrapped around the cable. Featuring both foil and braid shielding, it minimizes interference from external noise. This means your data transfers stay clean and error-free, which matters when you're relying on smooth communication between devices. With a high-speed data rate of up to 480 megabits per second, this USB 2.0 cable keeps up with modern demands. Plus, it's backward compatible with USB 1.1 and USB 1.0 devices, so you won't need to worry about compatibility issues with older gear. This flexibility makes it a smart choice for anyone juggling different devices. One detail that often gets overlooked is packaging. C2G ensures you receive a quality product every time by shipping this cable in branded packaging. This not only guarantees authenticity but also protects the cable during transit, so it arrives ready to perform. If you're working with limited space, these angled connectors make a noticeable difference. Take it from users who have installed this cable in tight DJ controller cases or behind crowded computer setups. The 90-degree design lets you connect without forcing or stressing the cable, extending its lifespan. Think about the last time a cable got bent or frayed just because it didn't fit right. That's exactly what this product aims to prevent. Its design isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting your investment and avoiding the frustration of replacing cables prematurely. The double shielding also means fewer interruptions during transfers. Whether you're printing documents or syncing data, you can count on a stable connection that won't drop out because of interference. This reliability is crucial for both home and professional setups. Compatibility is another big plus. Supporting older USB standards alongside USB 2.0 means you can use this cable with a wide range of devices without hunting for adapters or replacements. It's a versatile addition to your tech toolkit. If you value quality and durability, this cable delivers on both fronts. The molded connectors and shielding work together to provide a robust connection that stands up to daily use. You get peace of mind knowing your devices stay connected without hiccups. For those ready to upgrade their setup, this cable offers a straightforward solution. It's a simple swap that can improve your device connectivity and reduce cable clutter, especially when space is tight. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free connections. Overall, the C2G USB 2.0 cable with molded angled connectors blends practical design with reliable performance. It's built to last, designed to fit, and engineered to keep your devices communicating smoothly. Worth a look if you want a cable that works as hard as you do. Remember, a good cable isn't just about transferring data, it's about making your workspace more efficient and less frustrating. This cable's thoughtful features help you avoid common pain points like cable damage and interference. So, if you're juggling multiple USB-B devices and need a cable that fits tight spaces without sacrificing speed or reliability, this is the cable to consider. It's the kind of upgrade that quietly makes your tech life easier. In the end, the C2G USB 2.0 cable with molded angled connectors offers what matters most: durability, compatibility, and clean data transfer. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants dependable connections without the hassle. If that's you, adding this cable to your setup could be just the change you need. It's practical, well-built, and designed with your devices in mind. Give it a try and notice the difference in your daily tech routine. Don't let cramped spaces or noisy interference slow you down. This cable is ready to handle the job, keeping your devices connected with confidence. It's a small upgrade that delivers real benefits. In summary, the C2G USB 2.0 cable combines angled connectors, double shielding, and broad compatibility to offer a reliable, long-lasting solution. Whether for work or play, it's a cable built to meet your needs without compromise.